you're welcome back again to our training. So in this lesson, in the previous lesson, we were able to design our student admission form. So in this lesson, we are going to add buttons. With these buttons, it will help us to add and navigate or work with our form. So let's go back to our design view. Okay, but before that, we need to save this. So let's try to close it. Let's try, then it will prompt back to save it. So click on yes, then give it a name. So say student, I can say admission form. Use admission form. Good. So we have it here. So now let's click on the admission form, double click on it, then go to view and go to design view. Now we are going to add tabs to it. We are going to add buttons. So let me enlarge it here. So we're going to add the tabs here. Now this is what we are going to do. We will go to this side, the top here, then you click on this icon here. That's the button. Click on it, then you come and click once at where you want to place the button. So which button are you going to use? You're going to create an add button. The add button will have is a form operation, a form operation. So we click on form operation, then it's record operation rather. Click on record operation, then you add new record. So the new record, select the new record, then click on next. Then if you want to use picture to replace the text, you can just leave it as such and go to next. But if you want to use text, so we want to use text, so you click on text, then you come edit the text. So I want to use add, then next, then you click on finish. Okay, so we have our add here, so you can adjust it a bit and try to give it some design, some colors. Okay, so we'll do that later on. So this, we go to the next one. We want to add another one as a record operation. We want to add a delete button. So we go to record operation, then go to delete. So we click on it, then next, then you click on text, select text, then you come edit the text. So I want delete, then next, then click finish it. So you have it here, you adjust it. Okay, so we also want to add navigation button. So we go to that next and previous. So we go to the same place, then come and click here once, then it's a navigation button. So it's a record navigation. So find next, so go to the next record. So go to the next, we're adding next, so go to the next record, you click on it, then go to next, then you come and select the text, then you go to next, then you click on this, then you finish. Okay, so we'll be doing the editing later on, so let's move forward. Then the previous one, to you go to next, the button icon there, you go to record navigation, then you click on go to previous record, then next, then you edit it. So let's edit it, previous, then you go to next, then you finish it. Okay, then the last one, not the last one, but the next one is search. So you click on the button toolbar, the button 2, then you go to print. So it's form operation, no, it's record operation. So record operation, then you print record, click on print, then go to next. So print, you can decide to use the icon here, or you decide to use, okay, let's for the print, let's use the icon. So you have the icon there, you go to next, then you finish it. So you have the print icon here. Then the last one okay, we have the delete already. So the last one is search icon. That will help us to search our record. So you go to the same place, then you come and click here once, then you go to record navigation. Sorry, is it record operation? Okay, where can I find this thing? Okay, it's here. You find record. We are finding record. So go to record navigation, then click on find record, then click on next. So let's edit it. So we are using search or find. Search or find. Okay, then next, then finish. Okay, so now we are going to edit our this thing. Okay, so let me bring this icon here. Okay, let me put this one down. Okay, so now let me do the arrangements nicely here. So you take your time and do the arrangement nicely so that your work will be nice. Okay, so we have our buttons here. So we have arranged our buttons, then we will give them colors so that it will look nice. So let's add color, background color to add. So where you go to the property side, you go to back color, the back color, and you change it to green. Select green, then this one to delete, let's use red, then find, let's use okay, let's use blue, then the next two, let's use okay, any of these colors. Okay, then the print too, you can use this one for it. Okay, let me use a light color. Okay, so we have this here already. Okay, so let's try to add or bolden the text. So font width, let's use bold. Okay, bold is good. Now we have our form ready. Now the buttons are been designed, so let's view and see how our system is looking nicely. So we have our buttons here. So if you want to add, you just add, you find, search. So the design depends on you. So this is what you have designed so far. Okay, so you can now start to add your informations and others. Good. Now let's continue. So let's save it. So you save it. So we'll end here. In our next video, we try to add login screen. So this is how the system looks like, just simple as such. So you can use this to design for pharmacy. You can design for in companies and in any other institution that comes your way. So we'll meet again in our last tutorial on how to design a login screen to protect our database. Thank you all, and God bless you for watching.